Welcome back, everyone. In today's lesson, I will introduce you to another fundamental technique for the right hand, the mo for the right hand technique. Some requirements are shown on the screen. Please read them carefully. Okay, same in the previous lesson. You can re-watch it in the top right corner of the screen. The shoulder joint, upper arm, forearm, wrist, and back of the hand need to relax. We will pluck the string in the range of Yui Shan to the first hui, which is the sound range with the most standard amplitude. The wrist remains stationary to ensure consistent tone quality across all strings when plucked. However, there is a specific requirement. The palm must form a naturally rounded, relaxed shape like this. First, I will spread my hand open, allowing it to extend naturally. Next, place the index finger gently onto the string. Pay close attention to the height of the wrist. Similar to the previous lesson, only the first joint of the middle finger moves in this manner. Likewise, the index finger follows the same principle. The mo technique involves using the index finger to pluck inward. The index finger must remain relaxed. Pay attention. I will use the fingertip, specifically the fleshy part here, combined with the force of the nail to pluck the string inward and produce sound. Always remember that the wrist and hand must remain relaxed without being raised up or down like this. Ensure they are properly aligned in a straight position. Next, avoid spreading the fingers out like this or curling them inwards. Maintain a naturally relaxed position and proceed to pluck the next string. The wrist should neither be lowered nor lowered. When plucking the next string, the finger has lowered, so we need to adjust the position of the finger. Typically, when performing the mo technique, the biggest issue you may encounter is inconsistent pressure from the index finger during each pluck. Therefore, you need to adjust your sitting posture, keeping the forearm relaxed at all times, and pay attention to the placement of your finger. At the same time, we do not use the finger to hook the string like this, but put your hands in the right position and pluck like this. Let's take a look together. So today we have finished learning the mo technique. When you go home, remember to practice the music theory and finger exercises at the end of the lesson. Usually, you can find a symbol on the music sheet representing the mo technique. Okay, let's continue with the section on understanding musical notation. The symbol in the red circle above the head represents the earth sound, or san yin. Each dash represents a rest beat. We will read it as follows. Tan yin, mo, string 1, rest for 3 beats. Tan yin, mo, string 2, rest for 3 beats. This pattern continues up to tan yin, mo, string 7, with a 3-beat rest after each. Practice this sequence 10 times and then we will move on to finger exercises. Move on to the finger exercise. We will read the musical sheet as follows. Mo, string 3, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 1, rest for 3 beats. Similarly, mo, string 5, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 2, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 6, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 4, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 7, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 5, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 6, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 3, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 5, rest for 3 beats. Mo, string 6, rest for 3 beats. More string 3, rest for 3 beats. This is the end of the lesson. Remember to follow me in the next lessons.